Coding tools are getting scary good, but two names are suddenly everywhere right now, which is the anti-gravity and Claude Code. So one promises instant automation, the other feels like a senior engineer trapped inside your terminal. So today we are going to putting them head to head in the coding battle, which you needed to see. So start off with Claude Code. So Claude Code is actually the Anthropic's AI coding assistant that works directly inside your terminal and development workflow. It's built for developers who want deep reasoning, long context understanding, and serious coding help beyond autocomplete. It's designed more like an autonomous AI engineering environment. So instead of just assisting you line by line, it tries to execute workflows, automate development tasks, and reduce how much manual engineering work you actually do. And some of these benefits of using these two platforms, so on anti-gravity, is that it has the biggest strength of this is the speed and automation. It's designed for people who want AI to actually do things, generate system, automate repetitive tasks, and execute like workflows. Whereas cloud code, on the other hand, it's absolutely shines in reasoning. So if your project is messy, large, or complex, then Cloud understands the context well. It explains bugs clearly, suggests the clean architecture, and can work across multiple files without losing the plot. On the downside, anti-gravity here, the biggest problem with this is the reliability. The more autonomous an AI becomes, the more dangerous mistakes it can get. So just need to be careful with that. But and Cloud Code also, on the other hand, has some downfalls. So it's not really perfect. Like it's still an assistant, so it's not an autonomous builder yet. Okay, so you still need the engineering judgment when you're using Cloud Code. So if you're like newer to coding, then Cloud Code might be a smarter choice for you because it teaches and explains you better. And also for startup founders and solo builders, if speed matters more than perfection, then anti-gravity might be a better option for you. But if you are like a professional engineer, like experienced developer, then Cloud Code feels more dependable and more mature and more useful in real engineering environment for you.